Hello everyone. In this video I'll show you how you can learn Google digital marketing for free of cost, and you will get one certificate and that will be provided by Google. So those people who are watching me for the very first time, I am Tapesh from tapeshchowdhury.com, and in this channel I talk about affiliate marketing, making money online, digital marketing and various other cool ways by which you can generate good amount of income. You can learn different other things. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you people subscribe and also like this video, because this video is going to be very powerful. Alright, so you can see in my channel there are different ways by which you can generate good amount of money. If you are interested to make money online, you can just check out my different other videos. Alright, so in this video, as I said, I'll show you how you can learn digital marketing, and that will be free of cost. Before going ahead, I'll show you how if I talk about the demand of digital marketing in India, you can say the 90% of business will rely on digital marketing with the approximately by 2020. And you can see this strategies, this video is going to be helpful for anyone and everyone who has business, or maybe for any students, or maybe any people who are working in corporate life, or maybe they want to change their profession, or anyone. Okay, so there are huge demand for digital marketing, and yes, if you can educate yourself by any chance, you can earn huge amount of money, and there are very good career scopes as well. So the course what I am going to talk about, that is Google Digital Unlock. And as you can see, this is free of cost, and I'll give you the link in the description. You can just check it out. Yes, before checking out, I'll just make sure you watch the full video so that you can understand what you have to do, how you can enroll there. Okay, so you will get, as I said, you will get one free certificate as well. This course is completely free of cost, and I can show you they have 26 modules, and this is very comprehensive course of 40 hours. This is huge big course, and price is completely free of cost. And they are saying you will get one free certificate provided by Google, and you will learn the different ways, different strategies of digital marketing. This is a very good opportunity provided by Google, and yes, this is for very limited time. So make sure you grab the opportunity until and unless it is free of cost. And yes, Google is providing a huge big course, or 26 modules of course for free of cost. And yes, it is a very good option to start for the students who don't want to pay, for the business professionals who don't want to invest money, or maybe they don't have time to go for any digital marketing institutes. And yes, if you want, you can learn. And yes, once you learn, you will be able to apply the same thing on your business. Maybe if you have anyone who has a business, maybe in your family, you can help them as well. So how like if I talk about the course modules, they have given very comprehensive details, and you can learn everything. Maybe if you just see this particular how you can rank on search, how you can discover your business, and they have given everything in comprehensive. That is 35 minutes of tutorial, 45 minutes of tutorial. If you go, you can learn, there are a lot of things in this course. And yes, personally I really love this course, and yes, it is very, I have taken the course nearly around 6 to 7 months back. This is one of my different account where it is showing course progress as 0%, just because of I don't want to show you my original account. But yes, I have taken different other courses as well from Google, and some of them were paid, some of them are free of cost, but this is one of the course what was free. And yes, I really love the course, and I want you people to do the course just because of it is free of cost. And yes, you will learn lot of things, you will learn lot of values, you will learn lot of things which can be helpful for your business. Maybe you can share this video to anyone who has business, or maybe if you have a group of maybe if you are a student, you can share this video to your WhatsApp group, or anyone who wants to learn digital marketing for free of cost. And yes, you don't have to pay any penny, plus you will get one free of cost one certificate. Most probably they were charging 1500 for the certificate, and that's okay. according to me, certificate is not the factor, learning is the factor. If you can learn, you will be able to implement them in various of your business, or maybe your friend's business, maybe your relatives business, anyone. All right, so I highly recommend you people to enroll the course, and yes, you will be able to generate good amount of knowledge, good amount of money if you can implement the knowledge in your life. And yes, this is free of cost. You can just simply enroll. I'll give you the link in the description. Apart from that, digital marketing is not the thing what is theory basis. It will be helpful if you can implement the strategies whatever you have learned from here. So how you can do that? So for that, you will need one website. You have to create one website so that you will be able to implement whatever strategies you have learned so far. Make sure understand one thing, these are all things what is not kind of theory principle. It doesn't works in that way until and unless if you put your works into a real things in real world, you won't understand anything. So this is a website where this is my one of my personal recommendation. You can what you have to do, you have to simply create a website, and then only you can implement all the fundamentals, all the things, all the learnings, all the knowledge in your website. And I highly recommend to you people so that you buy one domain and hosting. After that, you can implement the whole strategies on your website. It will also help you to understand everything in details concern of this particular hosting provider, because you will get one free of cost domain. You don't have to pay any penny for domain. You will get free of cost SSL certificate and one click installation of WordPress. So WordPress is a very dynamic thing. You will get a huge amount of plugins. You can literally do anything and everything with the help of WordPress, and I highly recommend you people so that you people can learn, you people can make your own website and implement all the strategies whatever is going to learn in the whole video. Make sure you people forward this video to everyone in your WhatsApp group if you are student, so that anyone who is your friend also can be a part of your learning hub. And yes, if you have any concerns, you can reach me out on you can comment me on this video. Also, you can reach me out on Instagram. I'll try my level best to help out you people. So I hope I was able to give a value in this video. Make sure you people subscribe so that I can also deliver such amount of values in your life, and I can help out you people. Thank you so much for watching the whole video. Have a great day.